Welcome to my training seminar. My name is Jonathan Taylor. Today, we are going to spend a little time on the ISTE standards for educators as well as the ISTE standards for students. Specifically, we're going to look at 2.1, where educators continually improve their practice by learning from and with each other, because today we are going to definitely learn together and we're going to learn from each other. Keeping current on elements of research, such as findings from learning sciences and improving student outcomes with the tool that we're going to earn certifications in for today. Where educators seek opportunities for leadership to support student empowerment and success and to improve teaching and learning. The tool that we are going to earn certification in today reinforces all of those points. And we're also going to look at the teaching standard for digital tool use, as we are going to come up with the foundationally uniform way in which we all can use this specific tool in our classrooms, regardless of our discipline. As far as student standards are concerned, we're going to be looking at standard 1.4 for innovative designer, specifically 1.4a with the design process, the creative communicator ITSE standards, and choosing platforms for tools with the ITSE standard. What tool, you might ask, is going to accomplish all of these things simultaneously? I'll tell you right now. It starts with a C and ends with an ANVA. You've heard it, Canva. We're going to work on the Canva Teachers Essential certification for today. And this is a new certification that Canva rolled out in June of 2024 on the heels of their huge conference that announced this certification. Their recommitment for education. With these type of certifications, usually the first question is, how much and how long does it take? Well, their certification takes approximately an hour in time to complete, and for educators, it is absolutely free. All students are eligible for a free Canva account, as well as anyone who can demonstrate work with a school district, a nonprofit. You just need to sign up for a Canva account using the email address provided by the school district. So the flow of the training, the process is going to be teacher facilitated. So I'm going to run the training. It's a mix of video modules with practice exercises that are directly related to each module. And then at the end, there'll be an assessment of about 20 questions. It's a mix of multiple choice and true or false questions. And passing grade results in a certification. The training, it functions very much like the required mandated reporter and sexual harassment trainings that all of our teachers are already doing through Keenan. So it's not going to be anything groundbreaking in terms of the way that the training is going to be done. So I'm not going to have to train people on how to be trained for this one. It's very intuitive for a lot of the teachers. So why would we choose Canva? Well, globally, Canva, it now has more users than Photoshop. Canva, it's aiming to be the standard for digital arts and design. It's used in thousands of schools globally already, so why not here as well? Canva's tools, they're interactive by design. They're very user-friendly, novice-friendly, easy enough to navigate, and students will be able to use important concepts from lesson plans and instructional content, and it'll be a way to supplement it creatively and artistically. So rather than just students doing standard note-taking, they can create infographics that reinforce the notes, or they can create videos that reinforce their notes, or they can explain if they're unable to write as well. So it provides the students with a tool that they can use via an app or through the Chromebooks that are already in class. Also, the Teacher Essentials course is going to guarantee that everyone is working from the same playing field and everyone has the same lay of the land. Everyone understands the ins, the outs. Everyone is not going to come out the king and the emperor of all things Canva, but all of us are going to be able to execute a lesson plan. They provide us practice lesson plans and curriculum. They provide plenty of opportunity for us to practice the skill sets that we're going to learn through the training today ahead of assigning them to our students. So The biggest thing is it's going to allow our students to engage with the content that we're teaching in a different type of a way. So as we take a look at the screen, we can see that we have a number of modules here. Again, the full on of the training should take no longer than 60 minutes to complete. I would say we're going to spend about an hour and 15 minutes just to accommodate for any lags that we may have in the internet, or for any teachers that may have difficulties with their Chromebooks. Each section is tabbed. Each section covers a specific topic in a specific area in the actual training in itself. And then there is an actual activity that's going to allow us to practice the tool, to use the tool to practice um, each one of the video concepts. There's a kickstart. We're going to be able to learn how to use their Magic Studio, which includes ethical uses of AI. Create engaging assignments that are going to tell us exactly how we can use Canva to do just that. Delivering lessons and assignments, helping students to succeed, and yay, we completed the Teacher's Essential. Once we've completed all 7 of the modules, then you have the ability to actually get certified. We click the button here and it'll take us to the assessment. I've already completed the certification, so this is what the end product will look like for you, except your name will be on it instead of mine. Again, this is, I think, a powerful tool for us to embrace. For the teachers here who already teach digital arts, this is not to shortchange you guys, because Canva is not Photoshop. Canva is not Illustrator. Canva is not a lot of things that people that are taking a digital arts class should be exposed to. But this allows our students who are not enrolled in those classes an opportunity to still express themselves using this form of media. The other thing is, again, it piggybacks off of our ISTE standards, and it puts us in a place to be a little more intentional about the way we're using our tech in our assignments and the way that we're using our tech on campus.